Imagine you're standing at the crossroads of crypto, the bustling marketplace of digital assets. Binance, the titan of cryptocurrency exchanges, stands tall, a beacon for countless traders and investors. And there, amidst the vast array of tokens, you spot Beam, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency with a promising future. But is Beam truly listed on Binance? The question has been buzzing around the crypto community for quite some time. Let's dive in and find out. Beam, for those unfamiliar, is a cryptocurrency designed to protect user privacy. It employs a unique technology known as Mimblewimble to obfuscate transaction details, ensuring that your financial activities remain confidential. This feature has attracted a significant following, especially among those who value their privacy in the digital age. Binance, on the other hand, is a global cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of trading pairs and services. It's one of the most popular platforms for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. While Beam has gained considerable traction and has been listed on several other major exchanges, it hasn't made its way onto Binance's platform. There could be several reasons for this, including technical limitations, regulatory considerations, or simply the exchange's own internal criteria for listing new tokens. Exploring alternatives. If you're keen on investing in Beam, don't despair. There are several other reputable exchanges where you can buy and sell it. Here are a few popular options. List of exchanges where Beam is listed. These exchanges offer similar features and functionalities to Binance, allowing you to trade Beam with ease. Considering the future. While Beam isn't currently listed on Binance, there's always a possibility that it could be added in the future. The cryptocurrency's growing popularity and unique features may make it an attractive addition to Binance's roster. Keep an eye on Beam's official channels and announcements for any updates regarding potential listings on major exchanges like Binance. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, no, Beam is not currently listed on Binance. However, there are several other reputable exchanges where you can invest in this privacy-focused cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.